All right, we're having a test to see who can put their hand in the longest. Are you ready? Left hand. The winner gets $5. Left hand. Ready, set, go. All the way under. Tell me when it starts hurting.
Now. A while ago.
I can't see T-birds over there. Gotta change sides.
Oh, I'm gonna lose. Come on, Jay, get it out.
Who's got icicle fingers?
Come on, Steve, I can't lose with both of you guys.
Who's gonna have frozen fingers? Teebs gave up first.
I could keep it in, I just don't want to take a chance or something.
Take a chance of what? Nothing's gonna happen.
No,
Jay wins.
it's starting to hurt.
Let's see how pink or white or red it is. It doesn't look bad.